In a vast, silent forest, where the trees whispered secrets, lived a young robin named Robin. This little bird was unlike any other, for he had a voice that could captivate the hearts of all who heard it. One day, Robin found himself lost in the labyrinth of the forest. The trees grew taller and the shadows deeper, and he could hear the distant echo of his own song, a haunting reminder of his home. He tried to sing, but his voice was weak and trembled. Panic set in, and he fluttered aimlessly, lost in the sea of green. Yet, his song, though feeble, continued to echo, a beacon in the darkness. A wise old owl perched on a gnarled branch, watching the young robin's plight. "Why do you sing when you are lost?" he asked. Robin, his heart heavy, replied, "I sing to find my way home." The owl chuckled softly. "Your song is your home. It is in every leaf, every stream, every whisper of the wind. You need not search for it." Robin's eyes widened with understanding. He began to sing again, not a melancholic tune, but a powerful, resonant song that filled the forest. His song grew louder, stronger, until it was a symphony that echoed through the trees, leading him home. From that day forward, Robin realized that his song was not a means to find his home, but a symbol of it. He learned that home was not a physical place, but a feeling, a state of being. His song was his journey, his home, and his compass. And in every echo, he found himself. The forest, once silent, now hummed with the melodies of countless robins, each one finding their way home, each one discovering the power of self-discovery and the beauty of their own unique song.